come from the Remember the investigator officer down here, so them had dash Jayden thing under the bus, you know. Right? And you are going to take from them if you come through back in a jam public. You know, say that show you the level of corruption where the police them depend. Him yard boss later on, if him find out, say, there is 2 tickets and them give him a ticket for put him on a wild goose chase. And now him gonna realize, say, police, government, workers and lawyers and doctor is behind this. So, me think yard boss up for a little bit of surprising to find out that. I wonder
if yard boss know and also throw we underneath the bus.
No.
On purpose.
Me feel like say him because remember them that talk to him and him get a phone call in and a friend yard boss get a phone call and him come back in and I say something different in. And I say him know big people in high places because remember said this is not the road that yard boss was going, you know. Yard boss was going with we're getting Andreen, getting the documents together, getting Andreen figure go hand it over to the DDP. All of a sudden this change, you know.
Yard boss, you want a beat.
So somebody call him and somebody give him something and because them don't plan it. Him be put him confident in them because him feel like say, you know, people them when a big people them and no, these are the people we are kill with, bro. You can't take nothing from them people, yeah.
Alright.
So, listen to me now. Listen to me now. You know what yard boss need for the now? Listen to me now, surprise. As Tiger would have said, me rate the yard boss, guys, yeah? But you see that big drift and that big turn, yeah? It really irritates me. You understand what I say? Right? So you know what yard boss need to do? Him need to beg Tiger to them pencil there and tie his head, see him we and stick them up in there if stop get the attack.
But you know what happened? You know what happened? Yeah. I tell you say now, but keep on telling us say everything work for good for those that love the yard. CDA wouldn't go dig in and find out say two, you know. You're so long with there, I try to get it. You're so long with there, I try to get it. And we never think say we could have go search and get it. We are waiting for people to get it.
Exactly.
See, where yard boss do yard boss put on to the test. I want to go out there, I want to find it. So he serve a purpose just to see him the Lord do the stupidest thing to confound the wise.
Yeah, so.
Alright, hear me answer now. Alright, hear me answer say. We are go show not about love and less name. Because I feel like there's somebody they're trying to get the platform them against each other because you see once the platform them go against each other, that's how we lose your credibility.
That's right.
So here what me now. Me understand we can feel frustrated at time and things, so we are gonna drop him name a little bit. We still are gonna give him facts and thing. Drop him name and kinda, you know, we can say how we feel, you know, have to say who we attack. And you understand, can you notice about 2 times I call the name from rise this morning? Because we don't want to sound like
you know what say no
animosity. Yes.
Yeah.
I have good intentions, may I tell you. I have good intentions. It's just a culprit we go behind the scene. We give him that piece of thing here.
And we have to give him props for getting that information.
Yeah.
It took much months now. And it's because that is a great surprise where we can know and find a channel how to get the information ourselves and get the actual real one.
So we have to give him that.
If they never give out this, it come like we wouldn't know all now.
Right. That would happen.
So
we don't know where PI.
Caesar what is due unto Caesar.
We don't know where the PI figure, bro. See there? We have it for ourselves.
Agree, yeah.
So we have to just look for how gotta work. Gotta work. And him work and we have to just see it. We have to just see how him work and see all the pencil there. We never know see all the pencil that come up and pen that come up in our head. Me think I'm gonna want to do them sitting.
Because you what me know. You what go on now. See? You don't know, sir. You live in a world of screen recording. And I can promise you, you might not believe me. This a life of a man and gone out already. Now we never know it. And live out there. So we don't want people to record things and record and look for make it sound like we're up on a carry on artist thing.
No man, you have to give thanks for him and not tell no lie. Because trust me, Look how long live it there.
Yeah.
I run the up run of our case. We are depend on people to find with this and we find it with self.
Because I feel like say, me, I can't call you because I know some afraid of people, but me just like to be peaceful more time.
Tiger,
Everybody.
you know, if we go over there, we would get that information, yeah. If we did go over Yard Boss live, like when did one go on it, we would get this. Because the beat the way we there go over, they go give them would push out them head.
Because let me tell you something.
You see police them. You see police them. The police them are walk like hell for that Jayden case.
I'm not gonna tell you something. And this is my belief. I mean, I don't know, I have no fame. But me feel like, say, you see that platform here, me feel like I hit them further. Because them say they can't buy we out and we not trust out our credit out.
They insist that we turn on each other at times and then make up back in the night. I wonder what make we up.
No, I'm supposed to notice. So the people who they, cause me know you have people message me and tell me that the people are asking me to come for them over them some papa them place. Then me have a message. Not that me I look no forward or fight. But me take the conscious thing and say, you know what? Make me right and left and then go on. And me go and build and watch what go on. Because you see if they manage to get me and get me to go over there, they're gonna feel like say, yo, we got them man. They don't got we. Cause me did I defend anyone I'm a lieutenant and my right lieutenant any day of the week, any second, any minute of the week. You understand? And you know so we give everybody them respect, everybody them props. But you know so if you not come to with some information, me I beg you in the name of His Majesty Yelei, King Father God, you come with the real one them. If you don't have the real one them, just walk on and go check.
We don't want no homework over here. We don't have to go dig up and find nothing. Just come with the right information one time.
Right now, in my opinion, what me soon do, turn on my pen crossway. What me soon do, when I just crucify myself, I want to admit the pharmacy, I want to admit accepting the key. 5 months to not deny that. Christ, not get denied so long. So, me no know, you can't fix that. A bicycle through there, you can't patch a bicycle through there.
You know, long we are asked for them come out, come give a statement for come say either Mr. T lying or she lying. And none of them could come forward back out in the spotlight for come say which one of them a tell the lie. Until now, them say, okay, let us just say it's just not the right day.
Let me tell you something.
But not that day.
I'm gonna tell you something. Aina Lawrence spoke. Come here, let me tell you something, mama. Me feel say when you are your father or your mama for do or even goat man. When if you try and reach out to me, Christ, Shanda or Lava, me feel like say we get a more listening to, we get a lighter sentence. But we not doing up and we not avoid the wrong set of people. We not avoid and a way are gonna make us get divided. Go and consume some fruits.
I look like one of the reader man then. You just took your pencil up. God. No, they say we. They afraid that they afraid of the platform because they know say we are no idiot. And they can't give him no alibi. That's why I tell you, me no running from people on platform, no.
Boy, I say I want to feel little virgin.
Me just go over there, go listen, me not going at it.
You see, I want my little virgin run a little platform, right? So I see my walk up and down with that banana plant on the head. Me never know what cause that. Mad out.
No one of them lick him, man. One of them lick him.
There. One thing me know. Know what me know, you know? Know what me know. Know what me know. Let me know what me know. Me say, no, so God at work. So God at work. God now start this and finish it. As the days go by, we are go closer and closer.
Juliet, you look like one lady when they come to me and tell me say your husband married to two old ladies for in the lane. And you did tell me say you want me to make one side of head peel off and the other side go long. I'm the same one. You remember when you come see me run side of the road, you know it's corner right and straight road there, so down side of Bellevue run Prosper. I know you. Hold on, man. Let me take up a crystal ball, because you're not going good. Juliet. Well, the crystal ball saw you. I don't know you're going to crystal ball saw you, and you know, say me not tell you that crystal ball.
General.